Hi, your next challenge is called Count Instances of a Character in a String. Create a function that takes a character and a string as arguments and returns the number of times the character is found in the string. See the examples below. In the string edibit, the letter or the character A, it's unfortunate to use the double quotes here when they say they're giving you a character, but it occurs once in this word or string. For example, 2, the C in chamber is the match, there's only one. And the third example is good because it shows you a case with multiple hits. In big fat bubble, 1, 2, 3, 4, so you get 4 hits for the character B. The note is your output must be case sensitive. Oh, okay, so yeah, I overlooked that with the second example. I apologize for that. This C actually did not count. It's a capital C, this is lower. But it did hit the C in secrets, so there's your 1, and that's why that's 1 and not 2. Okay, cool, I think I'm good on that now. Hopefully you are too. On to the coding. Please pause and implement this yourself. Okay, if you got stuck there, the first hint I would give you would be that this is the same as another problem we've done in the past, or I should say we used a method associated with arrays to count the number of occurrences of something in the collection. So I'll go into it. I can't break the hints down any more than that. We will return. We're going to take our string, and do you remember count that we used before? So, string count. This was the one where we passed it a lambda, so this is a good chance for you to do another lambda function. Since string is a character array, an array of char, I want to call my input. Remember, the input to this is going to be one of the characters at a time. It's going to start with the first, then the second, then the third. So at any time, I'm getting one individual character. So I'm going to call mine ch, short for character or char. And then I'm going to say char is equal to my char. Right? That was the character we were given to search. This count will take care of incrementing each time a hit is found. And I think I need a using statement here. Okay. And yeah. There you go. Nice quick one-liner and we're done. Hopefully you remembered the count, or that even there was a hint of something that in your mind where you were able to go online and search and find that and then work out this solution. You're free to also do it with a loop like we have been with other counters in the past. I think we've done those enough, but again, if there's questions, requests, anything, hit me up in the comments. I'm going to call this video good. Thanks for watching.